citizens in the state of Georgia. As the new year approaches, we wish to inform you that a new event will take place, which is known as the Purge. For a limited time, all laws and regulations will be suspended, allowing you to unleash your most primal instincts without consequence. During this period, there are a few rules to keep in mind: no targeting of government officials or their families, no using explosives or weapons of mass destruction, no harming children under the age of 18, no damaging or destroying emergency services or hospitals, no organized efforts to harm or kill others. While these rules may seem restrictive, they are in place to ensure a level of safety during the Purge. Remember, this is a unique opportunity to explore your deepest desires and fantasies without legal ramifications, in hopes to reduce overall crime rates and maintain social order throughout the year. Please note that participation in the Purge is entirely voluntary, and we do not take any responsibility for the consequences of your actions. Use this time wisely, as it will only last for a designated period. The Purge begins at midnight on New Year's Eve and ends at dawn. Remember, there are no limits, no boundaries, and no judgment. Shortly you will hear a siren that marks the start of the Purge. Stay safe and enjoy the exhilarating experience that the Purge offers, and Happy New Year.